这个里面有几个颜色？这个也是都是那个蝎子斑，
也是那个易经那样。
这个都可以设计，我们自己的牌子也可以设计的。
对啊，都可以设计你们自己的 logo。
China government has given the opportunity to just come here from the world. Anyone can come here easily and buy the goods and ship the goods to his door to door. Now we have door to door service, so it's very open for everyone. Last time you had told me to find some product that was called slime, right? I just found it that slime in the market, and this shop, she is selling this product. She has an stocks. So if you want, you can come and talk to her. I'll share the details of her, and that the item looks good. Okay? Yeah. No problem. Okay. We started selling kids stationery, that's called pencil, rubber, sharpener, stapler, and some toys. Every 1 month we have the repeat order. 1 month. Like today I ship the goods, then after 1 month you have new order. I ship the goods, then after 1 month you have the new order. All this is stuff, toys, stationery, tools, hardware, any items like what your customer is looking for. The food is the first priority of people. This is the Chinese saying, like anywhere you can say, but what do you feel, what people think, whatever it is to comes in their mind, the first thing it is like what people think about the food, and it is the priority, first priority of human being is thinking about the food. Please call Vanita Yiwu.
Mobile. Hello?
When I came to Yiwu, it was just like a small village. Actually, Yiwu is a small village, but it was not developed. But after 10 years, they have developed like super fast. You can see the metro trains are coming, all the BRT buses, and the payment structures, Paytm, WeChat, Alipay, Union Pay, all this kind of stuff. They are like every day they are upgrading something or the else. They are coming with new things. It has changed very quick, super fast. It has changed a lot these 10 years. When I came, we used to take bus, like I have to go to some factory from Yiwu to Wenzhou or Taizhou. Normally it takes around 5 to 6 hours. But now there is a bullet train. It takes only 1.5 hours. That's super fast. So it's a lot of convenience, like in the transport. Hi. 今天生意怎么样？加一点冰块。哇，很冰。非常的好喝。The lemon 奶茶。In Chinese people is hospitality. Like when you go to meet someone, meet some Chinese people, friends, or if you don't know also, they treat you very well, very nice. After dinner they go for dancing in the local areas, in the gardens. I like to follow them that. Kung Fu. I love Kung Fu, I love Tai Chi, it's very good for our body. We should every day get up in the morning and just come in the garden and look for Tai Chi and yoga. It's very beneficial to our health, to everyone. We should follow this. I love China. I don't have to say this, but really, I love China. See, I have spent almost 17 years in China, so that's my half life. You can say my half of the half life is spent in China, and that's it's a very long time. So I relate to China. Maybe in my before birth, I have done something in China, so that is why I have connected with China here more. I feel like home. It's my second home.
Very good business here. Indian customers come in Yiwu to buy goods.
That's why we came here. Everything is easy, like visas, policies, everything is easy. My name is VIKAS Ramani and I have been here 10 years.
Myself, PRIYANKA RAMANI. I'm here in China since 2010.
Because here I have very big market, international market and very good business here. That's why we came here. Very good business, yeah.
We came here because many Indian customers come in Yiwu to buy goods.
Before last 20 years, here no have any infrastructure. Now have very big infrastructure and very good business and cashless, digital.
Yeah. Alipay and WeChat dominate the digital payment in the market. Nation use digital pay apps to pay everything here. China is developing day by day.
Before last 20 years ago, I came here. Very easy. Everything is easy, like visas and policies. Everything is easy. Now, how to say? Day by day, had very difficult to do, like visas process and like that. And we also make insurance card. Every month, we have to pay 1,300 RMB. They give us facilities like medicines, treatments, doctors, like that.
Yeah, medicines we get free.
Get free. But how to say now, we are very comfortable here and insurance policies, it's nice.
In 2005, we came to China. At that time, there were no taxation policies.
Yes.
But now the things have been changed. Now we are paying 1300 RMB per month to get a health card.
Health card,
and
yes.
in that health card, we get medical treatment free, we get medicines also free.
Yes, yeah, medicine also free.
在我看来的话，义乌政府啊，它与其说是一个政府，它其实更像是一个。
In my opinion, the Yiwu municipal government is more like a large organization, a big company than a government. It attaches great importance to the seemingly small needs of foreign businesses. It is very flexible. This is the impression left by the Yiwu municipal government on me. I remember one of my clients said he has traveled to many countries and done business in many countries. He gave me a conclusion that Yiwu will be the future Hong Kong, which actually had a significant impact on me. Based on my own summary from the client, I believe that Yiwu will definitely be a platform for international trade, with great prospects for development. I remember in the 1990s, most of the people doing business in Yiwu were from Yiwu or its surrounding areas. After China's accession to the WTO, entrepreneurs from all over the country came to Yiwu to fulfill their own dreams. As more foreign businessmen have come to Yiwu in recent years, who are not only buyers, but also entrepreneurs, they can sell their products globally through the Yiwu platform, which means you can buy and sell products globally in Yiwu.
Earning is quite good here as compared to India. Yeah, and China's economy prospect is amazing as compared to India also. Yeah, and as a woman, I feel much safer in China as compared to India. I can roam around 12 o'clock at night freely. I don't have any tension. Yeah, someone will come, will tease me, or like do something wrong with me. So I can roam freely here in China. We feel safe as a woman. I feel safe.
The light, the water is very cheap. Electricity never off. 24 hours we have electricity. 24 hours we have water. Fast train, they say cow thi, goes like aeroplane. From one place to another place you can reach like in seconds, in minutes and hours. In 2012 we started company Yiwu here. We do exports for South America. Customer ask us what picture we find for him and export for him. For like example, we are specially deal in toys, hardware, kitchenware, electronics, daily use and many more. Socks and mufflers, caps, Christmas item, plastic goods, many items. China have many items, so we have to fight. Every day we have to fight and find one new item. In India we have very big tax, like many items we cannot put in the India. Toys we cannot do, flask we cannot do. Every item have 20% tax, 30% tax, 40% tax. For example, 1 RMB item you have buy 1 RMB, then pay 30% tax. It's already in India 30 rupees, 40 rupees, so people cannot buy. So it's very difficult. But in China it's another way. Like they have fixed tax. They don't have 20%, 30%. They have tax, but 2%, 3%, and that's it. The light, the water is very cheap. If you compare in India, the light is very expensive. Wow, you cannot imagine. One day you have to pay like many thousands for light. For in China, one unit is only for some like 80 cents or 90 cents. It's very cheap. Water is also very clear, easy to drink, healthy water, and water is like 4 RMB, 0.5 or 5 RMB for one unit, so it's very good. And electricity never off. 24 hours we have electricity, 24 hours we have water. In India, one day we no have light, one day have water, one day have water, one day don't have, one day have, one day no have. China, 24 hours, 365 days, always have water coming, and the speed, clear, smell. So these things is very good. Like in India, the main is working hours. Like we have to work every day, because in India I was working for one shop, mobile shop. We need to work 18 hours, 16 hours, no have high salary, very low salary, like 20 RMB one day, 10 RMB one day. But in China is 100 RMB one day. Wow, unbelievable. And have Saturday, sometimes if we are not busy, Saturday have holiday, Sunday have fixed holiday, then have Chinese New Year holiday 1 month, then have national, Chinese national have holiday. So we have good environment and good working hours, so we are happy to work more. And you will see China now day by day is growing up. Fast train, they say Kao Thi, they so fast, look like, goes like aeroplanes. From one place to another place you can reach like in seconds, in minutes and hours. So it's very fast for China. These things I like very much. I love China and I feel China is my second home. So I never feel away from my home. We have good friends, they treat us like a brother. We have Lopania in the market, they treat us like a mom. We have some bosses, they treat us like a father. So we miss our family, but okay, for get something you have to lose something. So it's okay. Sometimes in holidays we can meet our parents, and but amazing. China is really amazing. It's growing day by day, day by day, day by day up. Like our age, before we were small, growing. China also growing like that, and same we want to grow like China. So I just pray God to give me good health, good wealth, so I can work good and get more, earn more money. Thank you.